Dr. Alexander Yu sat in his dimly lit office, surrounded by holographic displays of neural networks and digital brains. As he adjusted his glasses, the room's ambient light flickered, casting an ethereal glow on the intricate patterns of synapses and neurons mapped out before him. For Dr. Yu, the dream of merging human consciousness with artificial intelligence was not just a theoretical pursuit, it was his life's work. Dr. Yu's journey into the realms of neuroscience and computer science began in the bustling city of Shanghai, where he was born to a family of scholars. His father, a renowned neuroscientist, and his mother, a computer science professor, nurtured his insatiable curiosity from an early age. Alexander excelled in his studies, eventually earning dual PhDs in neuroscience and computer science from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. His groundbreaking research on neural interfaces and cognitive computing quickly propelled him to the forefront of his field. When Augustus Musa approached him to lead the consciousness upload project for the Immortality Task Force, Dr. Yu saw an unparalleled opportunity to realize his vision. The resources and interdisciplinary collaboration offered by the task force promised to accelerate his research beyond what he could achieve alone. The mission to upload human minds into digital form and achieve a form of immortality aligned perfectly with his own aspirations. Dr. Yu's work focused on creating a seamless interface between the human brain and digital systems. The concept was simple yet profound. By mapping the human brain's neural architecture and replicating it in a digital environment, it might be possible to transfer a person's consciousness into an artificial substrate. This digital mind could then exist independently of the biological body, offering a potential pathway to immortality. The technological challenges were immense. The human brain was an incredibly complex organ, with approximately 86 billion neurons and trillions of synapses. Accurately mapping and replicating this network in a digital form required advances in both neuroscience and computing power. Dr. Yu's team developed sophisticated brain-computer interfaces that could record and interpret neural signals with unprecedented accuracy. They also leveraged quantum computing to process the vast amounts of data required to simulate a human brain. As they made progress, the ethical implications of their work became increasingly apparent. The idea of uploading a human mind raised profound questions about identity, consciousness, and the nature of the self. What did it mean to be alive in a digital form? Could a digital consciousness truly be considered the same person as its biological origin? And what were the rights and responsibilities of these digital beings? Dr. Yu often found himself grappling with these existential questions. He spent countless nights pondering the implications of his work, not just for individuals, but for society as a whole. The potential benefits were enormous: immortality, freedom from physical ailments, and new forms of existence. But there were also significant risks, including the potential for loss of identity, ethical abuses, and the digital divide between those who could afford such technology and those who could not. One evening, as Dr. Yu reviewed the latest simulations of digital brains, he received a message from Augustus Musa requesting an update. He began to draft his response, detailing their technological advancements and the milestones they had achieved. But he also felt compelled to address the deeper issues. "Augustus," he wrote, "our progress in consciousness upload is remarkable. We have developed interfaces capable of mapping the human brain with a level of detail previously thought impossible. Our simulations of digital consciousness are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and we are approaching a point where we may be able to achieve a true upload very soon." He paused, considering his next words carefully. However, we must also consider the ethical and existential implications of our work. The nature of identity and consciousness is complex, and we are venturing into uncharted territory. It is imperative that we establish a robust ethical framework to guide our research and to ensure that the benefits of this technology are accessible to all. not just a privileged few. As he sent the message, Dr. Yu felt a mixture of excitement and trepidation. The quest for immortality through digital consciousness was a noble endeavor. But it required a careful balance between scientific ambition and ethical responsibility. He knew that his work would be a critical component of the task force's efforts, a cornerstone of Augustus Musa's grand vision. Dr. Alexander Yu's path from Shanghai to the forefront of AI research was a testament to his dedication and vision. As he continued to push the boundaries of what was possible, he remained deeply aware of the broader implications of his work. The journey to achieve digital immortality was now on the fast track, and Dr. Yu was determined to navigate it with both scientific rigor and ethical integrity.